All right. We're now going to move into the public comment section of our agenda. I'd like to let everyone know that during the executive session this afternoon that we will be holding after lunch, the board will be having several strategic discussions on the future activities of NCHICA, and this will also include our membership program. We will also hear from our Finance and Audit Committee on the 2010 budget, approve several new NCHIC members, and talk about changes to our committee charters to reflect our mission going forward. If you have joined us in person today and would like to make a comment, please come to the microphone. If you are participating electronically and would like to make a verbal comment, you must be logged into our webinar and have used a webinar-generated attendee ID when you dialed in. Click on the Raise Hand button that appears just on the list of today's online participants, or send us a comment online, and we will read it aloud at the end of the comment period. Are there any members here present who would like to come to the microphone and make a comment or ask a question? Merritt, while we're waiting for a moment, do we have any questions from our audience? Okay. Seeing no questions at the moment, please feel free to contact us in writing or by email, and we will respond to any questions that you provide to us now. We do thank you very much for your participation in today's webinar, both in person and by the webinar. The next National Health Collaborative Board of Directors meeting will be held here in Washington, D.C. in early February. As soon as we have additional details about the timing and location of that meeting, we'll provide those to you via our listserv and website. Thank you all for very productive discussions, and particularly to our panelists who did such an excellent job in talking about these critical issues of data integrity, and to Arthur Davidson, who organized this stakeholders forum along with our very capable staff. We look forward to continuing to partner with you in pursuit of an efficient and secure interoperable national health information system that will improve the health and well-being of all Americans now. Seeing and hearing no objections, the public session of this meeting is now adjourned. For those of you who are interested immediately following this session, we will be dialing into the technical conference call and webinar of the Beacon Community Cooperative Agreement Program that was recently announced by the Office of the National Coordinator. Because the board goes into executive session at 1 o'clock, we'll only be able to host the first hour of the call, but you are welcome to stay here in this room to participate for that first hour if you would like. Seeing no other comments or questions from the board, we will now conclude this public session. Thank you very much.